So typically, as a property owner, what we see most often is a third party or someone else making a claim, and they want their claim to encumber your property, right? Now, if you have satisfied those claims, or if those claims are bogus, you want to take proper action and then record documents in the public records that show that those issues have been resolved. If you paid the contractor, you want a release of lien. That needs to be a public record so that when you go to sell the property, you can sell it. The title searcher will follow it, will see, okay, there was a claim of lien, and then after that we saw that there was a release of lien. Same goes for a mortgage. If you paid off a mortgage, you want to make sure that the mortgage is released of record. Typically more often in a commercial context, you can record things that are going to affect your property so that you can advance the development the way you want to. People refer to these often as deed restrictions. So that's an example of you as the owner recording something that encumbers your property on purpose for your benefit. When developers create a subdivision where there's going to be an HOA, they almost always record what's called a declaration of covenants, conditions, and restrictions. People refer to that as the deed restrictions. That establishes standards for the property so that every time a property is sold, or so that people living in the subdivision, they have rules. So that's an example, to answer your question, of being a property owner and recording something against your own property.